SMSF Sorted Pro is the latest and greatest time-saving tool designed to create efficiencies and improve accuracy throughout every stage of your review process. Never search for source documents again. A line item review and job completion tracker. Just a couple of the many features this state-of-the-art SMSF preparation software comes with, giving you a 40% plus time saving for every fund, every day. How can SMSF Sorted Pro streamline your internal review process, improve the quality of your team's work, reduce the risk of errors and save you time? Well, one of the key areas that SMSF Sorted can do this is through the management approval workflow. Before moving to SMSF Sorted, firms are finding that the internal review processes are very manual. And the inefficiencies of this include the duplication of work and looking for documents or redoing Excel calculation. There are delays with workflows as back and forth requests are being sent via email. There's also a lack of visibility around items that have been reviewed and marked as OK or potentially flagged for attention. And then, there's the time spent updating and checking spreadsheets to track a fund status. So, SMSF Sorted Pro includes a line item level review for both the preparer and the reviewer. So, these are just tick boxes that are tipped through by the preparer in the first instance. And that second layer of review, by the reviewer, coming through documents, comments and queries are all left here at the line item. And this is very efficient for a reviewer, as they won't spend time looking for a source document, and they can easily see why a preparer may have left a comment into a flag, something for review, or why they may have marked something as OK. There's also a handy completion tracker, which will show you how far through a review your team is, and this is visible both here at the fund level and also out at the global dashboard. Now, the status of the fund is updated via the job dashboard here, and the manager will receive a notification when a fund is ready for review. And this just briefly highlights the benefits of the management approval workflow. It's time to make SMSF automation and standardization the baseline. We'd love the opportunity to show you more with a one-on-one live demonstration. Just 15 minutes with us today will save you countless hours tomorrow.